Hi everybody, it's the Mechanic on Rogue here. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to retract the piston of a caliper with an integrated parking brake. This style of caliper is easily identified by the parking brake cable that runs to the caliper. So what's first? Well, I need the right tool for the job. I have this caliper pushback tool that I bought years ago. I tried to find out where they're sold now, but I think this design's been discontinued. I ended up finding a design that was similar, and I linked it in the video description. Besides this pushback tool, I'm also going to need a 3/8 ratchet. Now I'm going to inspect the caliper before pushing it back. Primarily, I want to make sure that the protective boot around the piston is still intact and has no damage to it. If it is damaged, there is a high chance that the square cut seal around the caliper piston is damaged from foreign debris. This could cause the caliper piston to seize on and end up cooking my brand new brakes. Because of this, a torn boot would cause me to move to replace the caliper instead of reusing it. My boot looks okay. Lastly, I note the position of the slots in the piston. Sometimes brake pads have a corresponding point on their backing that locks into these slots. If they're not lined up properly, they will eventually do so on their own as the vehicle is driven, which is bad because when they do pop into place, it can cause a temporary low brake pedal as the pistons extend to take up the extra space. Not ideal when the vehicle needs to stop. Now let's set up my tool. I use the appropriate adapter and apply some tension with the turn handle. Then I start turning the piston with my ratchet. As the piston turns, it retracts. I'll adjust the turn handle to maintain proper pressure. As I'm doing this, I'm keeping an eye on my boot to make sure it doesn't catch on the piston and get torn as the piston spins. Finally, when it's all the way back, I'll adjust the piston so the slots are in the same spot as previous. There we go, all done. If you like what you saw, be sure to let me know with a comment and a thumbs up. You can also further support my channel by buying me a coffee through the link in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.